Good morning, grade 7. So I'm recording 5.2, rewriting percent expressions so you can study in advance for your term exam. So 5.2 is about calculating markups and markdown. Let's start from markup. When you say markup, this is one kind of percent increase. So before, when we find the percent increase, we add it to the original price. This time, let's have another way to do it. So let's have an example from your turn. Okay, Rick buys remote control cars to resell. He applies a markup of 10%. This time you don't know the price of the remote car, so which means we can represent it using variable or letter. So when you say variable, it is the letter that represent the unknown. So let me use letter C to represent the remote control cars or the cost of the remote control cars. The next thing is you change the percent into decimal. So 10% is the same as 0.1 as decimal. So which means if we don't know the cost, we have to multiply this to the cost, right? So that would be the markup or the percent will increase will be 0.1c. So markup means you add. So we have 0.1 C because you don't know the cost of the remote control cars. So when we add this together, if there is no number in front of the variable, understood there is 1 there. So which means 1 plus 0.1C is equal to 1.1C. So this is another way to write the expressions. So we have C plus 0.1C or 1.1C. So those are the two expressions that represent the retail price. So we're looking for the retail price with a markup of 10%. Okay, now let's use this expression to answer letter B. If Rick buys a remote control car for $28, what is his selling price or the retail price? So C is the cost of the remote control car. So we have 1.1 is what we have got, okay, or what we found. Letter A to find the retail price. C, there is a value now that is 28. So multiply it. Just multiply it normally, then put the decimal point later. So 28 times 1.1 is 308, but you have to put the decimal point. There's 1 here. So 30.8 is the selling price of the remote control cars. Get it? Okay, number 3, an exclusive clothing boutique triples the price of the item. So when you say triples, what does it mean? How many percent? When you double the price, that is 100%. So when you triple the price, that's 200%. So remember that, huh? So when we have 200%, this is how do you change it to decimal? So you move going to the left, so that is 2, it became whole number and not a percent, or 2.0, it's okay. So how do you write the expressions? We don't know the cost of the clothing, so let's use C as the cost, plus the markup, which is 2C, because we multiply 2 from the cost. So I told you there is 1 here, so C plus 2C is equal to 3C, or 3C is the other expression. Okay, I hope you got it, how to find the markup price. Thank you.